Welcome to Project Digital Academy. In this lesson, we will learn Copywriting Basics for Beginners. We will learn why it is important to study copywriting and why should you consider copywriting as a career path. So, if you want to consider copywriting as a career and learn copywriting basics as a beginner, Udemy provides copywriting courses. Click on this link below to learn more about copywriting as a beginner with a certificate upon completion. Yay! Before we get into today's lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Why it is important to study copywriting. Studying copywriting is important for several reasons. Advertising industry is repeatedly growing. With new businesses and startups emerging, studying copywriting equips individuals with necessary skills to meet the demands for effective advertising campaigns. Studying copywriting opens numerous job prospects in advertising agency, marketing firms, media houses, and even self-employment opportunities as a freelance copywriter. With the demand for skilled copywriters on the rise, studying the skill can lead to lucrative career opportunities. You don't have to wait for employment opportunities to come to you. You can create your own opportunities. You can offer these services if you want copywriting as a career. You can do content writing, copywriting for advertisements, product descriptions, social media management, editing and proofreading, branding and messaging, ebook writing, script writing, ghostwriting, and much more. Copywriting opens you to creative industry opportunities. Copywriting is a crucial aspect of the creative industry, which includes advertising, marketing, public relations, and much more. If you want copywriting as a career, these are creative opportunities you can specialize in. Working in the media industry, promoting and influencing online, content creation, marketing campaigns, blogging and content writing, speech writing, and much more. How much can a copywriter make in different parts of the world? The earnings of a copywriter can vary depending on various factors such as experience, skills, industry, and location. On average, a copywriter in South Africa can earn between 150,000 to 450,000 rands per year. In the United States of America, a copywriter can earn a salary of $45,000 to $85,000 per year. In the United Kingdom, a copywriter can earn a salary of between 30,000 to 50,000 pounds per year. In Japan, a copywriter can earn up to 40,000 to 10 million Japanese yen per year. In Australia, a copywriter can earn up to 50,000 to 100,000 Australian dollars per year. In Brazil, a copywriter can earn up to 30,000 to 60,000 Brazilian reals a year. Another thing is that copywriting is easy and quick to study. Copywriting is easy to study in South Africa due to it being more of a skill than a lengthy university or college qualification. Copywriting requires you to just have access to the internet and enroll online on courses that are offered in institutions like Udemy, where they provide certification after completion. This is how you can find these short courses if you want copywriting as a career. Research and find an accredited online institution like Udemy, for instance. Choose from the variety of courses which one is suitable for you. Enroll. Complete the course and get your certificate. Copywriting does not require a degree or a diploma. Copywriting does not require you to go to a traditional university or college, but just to prove you can write with evidence of having a certificate. Yes, people who studied qualifications such as journalism, marketing and advertising, public relations, and much more do qualify to work as copywriters. But in 2024, aiming at this field requires only a certificate like that you find in online educational institutions like Udemy. Find a certificate that will teach and cover these topics as a beginner copywriter. A career perspective of what copywriting offers. What is copywriting and the goal of copywriting? Where do we see copywriting and copywriting niches? How to write copy. This means that knowing the writing formulas of copywriting, copywriting portfolio and how to compile it, and after studying copywriting, where from there. Lastly, copywriting allows you to have a global reach. Copywriters are not limited to local markets. They can work with international clients, contributing their unique perspective and creativity to global advertising campaigns. A strong understanding of copywriting principles can ensure success on both local and international platforms. How can you get success at a global reach as a beginner copywriter? Develop a strong online presence. Showcase diverse cultural perspectives. Network with international clients and collaborators. Invest in ongoing professional developments. Offer multilingual capabilities. In conclusion, copywriting has multifaceted opportunities, is easy and quick to study, and can be done by anyone from any part of the world. Okay, that's it for today. Please don't forget to click on the course link below to get your copywriting certificate for beginners at Udemy. This course only takes less than 1 hour, so you can click on the link today and get your certificate today. Till next time.